In any zoning case, we have to go back to the zoning ordinance, which is it's about a half-inch thick document.
Mm-hmm.
And in that ordinance, we have specified a number of different districts: agricultural, residential, commercial, etc.
Mm-hmm.
And within each district, we have particular uses that are allowed. Why do we do that? We don't want to have uses that are appropriate in an agricultural setting to be mixed in with uses that should be industrial. So you need to go and look at the list and see whether it's it's on the list of things that you can do. That's what we did here. Unfortunately, from the perspective of Nestle, none of the things in the agricultural district really accommodated what they want to do very well.
Mm-hmm.
The one that we could find that was closest was the essential services, which is things like water lines and gas lines, electric lines. In some ways, they're similar to that. And so we attempted to give them a chance to make a case that they satisfy the requirements that would be satisfied by that type of a use under our zoning ordinance. And there are some very specific requirements.
Mm-hmm.
They weren't able to do that. The Planning Commission found that they couldn't do it. They appealed to the Zoning Board of Appeals, obviously who affirmed the Planning Commission. And now the court is going to decide whether the township agencies were correct. If it turns out that this is not appropriately within the essential services category, I don't think that it's appropriate at all in the agricultural district. In other words, they're going to either have to rezone the property to a different district or move it to a different piece of property that's already zoned for commercial or industrial. If the judge rules the other way and says that Nestle should be viewed as an extractive operation, let's say, which is one of their arguments, then the court would direct the Planning Commission to consider this as an extractive operation and issue an appropriate permit.